The Thundermans franchise is back as the Thunderman Undercover TV series with everyone reprising their roles after they saved the world from villains in the Thunderman's return. At the beginning of the episode, we come to know the powers of local townspeople of Hiddenville has been removed, which in the movie The Thundermans Return they were given temporarily to help the Thundermans in their mission. In this episode, we don't get to see Billy and Nora as they are on a different mission, and Hank and Barb have a small screen time in the beginning of the episode. This episode is mainly focused on Chloe as she is young and naive when it comes to making friends, and Phoebe and Max tries to help her. It is seen clearly that her friends Tiff and Blair is friends with her for her superpowers and fame, which Max and Phoebe can see right through. In order to help Chloe, Phoebe and Max takes her on their mission, and disguised as students in a new school, Chloe does make new friends with Butch and Jinx and realizes it's more fun when people don't recognize you for your fame and power. However, she gets upset after finding out why she was brought on this mission and returns to her home. She meets her friends Tiff and Blair, and after some interaction realizes what her siblings were talking about. She immediately ditches them and goes back to the mission where she finds out Phoebe and Max are tied to a chair. Chloe rescues them, and working with each other they manage to defeat villain Malware and confiscate his Giga Gauntlet. At the end of the episode, we come to know there is a super villain called Mastermind who is building a villain league in Secret Shores, and the three superheroes are commanded by the president to continue their mission there, with Chloe hanging out with her new friends before the mission. The episode named Thundercover was a kickstart to the Thunderman series Undercover, with Chloe growing up and maturing with her siblings' help. Phoebe and Max, as always, have different opinions and disagree with each other, but at the end of the day make a good team and better sibling to Chloe. Dr. Colossal has his role in the episode, helping the villain to get the gauntlet as he was promised with his human form. As he mentions, bodies before buddies. And yes, at the end of the day, Tiger can't change its stripes. The main villain of this episode was villain Malware, who with the help of Giga Gauntlet nearly defeats the Thunderman twins. The Malware seems to have close relationship with the Gauntlet, and the way he mentions how the Gauntlet was the only one who attended his birthday, you feel sorry for the guy, and maybe that's why he became a villain in the first place. Since it's the first episode of the season, the main supervillain is still mysterious, and we will get to know about him more as the season goes by.